friends, Running Kimono here, and we have a little midweek haul. Unfortunately, we didn't get a digital booster this week over at Walgreens, so we're making do. I have a lot of register rewards, so I just put them into a couple of deals, and I walked away with a little bit of magic. So right off the bat, this Olay cleanser for $9.29. You must do these deals in store as well, because if you do them curbside, you're not going to get register rewards. Just to note that. But we're looking for this guy at $9.29. It's tagged with this promotion of $8 register reward when you buy one of these products. So you are going to get that for your next transaction. We currently have this digital coupon, which is very valuable. It's a 5 off of 2. So for this first transaction, I'm like, these are going to make great stocking stuffers. I grabbed 2 of these cleansers for $13.93. The digital came off. I paid $8.93 out of pocket. Got back my $8 register reward. It's like 93 cents for the 2. And guess what? I wanted to take my register reward and to roll it to another transaction because it is such a goofy little register reward. I'm like, I'm going to lose this in my wallet and I won't be able to find it. So I'm just going to buy another one. And I did it. And guess what, guys? Another one printed out for me. So it was just really trippy. So again, this was $9.29. Subtracting that register reward, I paid $1.29. Got back another register reward. So it is in fact rolling. So if you wanted to get it, it's one per transaction. Buy one, pay that $1.29, and shake and bake that way. You can do that as well. I had another thought too that possibly with this $2 digital, if you grabbed a fancier one for $10.99, use this digital along with that $8, you would pay 99 cents, which is a better deal. So I would definitely make this deal happen. It's a really cute little gift. Makes it look like you really put a lot of effort into your Christmas gifts if you make those little baskets and stuff. But I would definitely do this. And we're doing this without a booster. So yes, you can roll your Walgreens cash. And just to let you guys know, that $5 spooky register reward that we were getting last week, for whatever reason, it would not scan with this product, even though the spooky register reward says Olay. So just be mindful of that. If I could ask a huge favor, if you could please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, I would be so grateful. Take a second and like this video. And if you have not subscribe today. I would love for you to subscribe to my channel so you can save even more money. Okay, the next deal that we're going to look at, and I think this is a great one, it is the hodgepodge of Febreze products. I really wanted some of this fabric spray. I just don't have a lot in my stockpile. They are $3.29 this week, and we have a digital coupon of $3.30 off of 2. So we usually get the Air Effects at the Dollar General, so I thought this would be a smart buy. This is the one that you're going to load. It's a $3.30 off of 2 digital coupon. And then to tidy off the basket, we're also going to grab this guy, which is a $3.29. It's the plug that you put the oils inside of. It's just the plug on its own. And it's also $3.29. With these P&G products, the promotion is to buy 3, get back a $3 register reward. And for this guy, we're going to load this digital coupon, which is a $2.30 off the plug. So make sure you have that loaded. So this is a pretty straightforward deal. Grabbing 3 of these Febreze products is $8.97. Subtracting $5.60 in digital coupons that I just showed you, you'll pay $4.27. Alternatively, if you want to roll $4 in Walgreens cash, go for it. And then a $3 register reward should print for you. It makes it $1.27 for the 3 or 42 cents per Febreze products. And remember, we're doing this without a booster. And here is my $3 register reward. So I was pretty delighted with that. Do you guys remember in my Sunday video, I'm like, there's no good deal for Colgate. And then one fell into my lap and I'm like, I talk way too much. So we're going to be grabbing 2 of these $4.50 Colgate products. So a paste and a brush. Alternatively, if you don't want to buy a brush, I think the mouthwash is in fact included. And the promotion for this is to buy 2 to get back a $3 register reward. Well, after I opened my big mouth, guess what? Some $3 digitals started appearing, including this one. It's off of the brush or the wash. So you pick which product you want. and then this $3 one off of the paste. So this is a pretty straightforward Colgate deal. Grabbing one of each, that's $9 on the nose, subtracting $6 in digital coupons, you'll pay $3, get back a $3 register reward, essentially making it free. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal without a booster. And again, none of us got a booster this week, so I don't know what's going on over there. And then just to give you guys the quick peek, here's my $3 register reward from Colgate Palmolive, so I will take that. Another deal that I did was with the Dawn dish soap. They're $1.24 each this week. I like the blue one. I'm not so fancy with the apple scented one, but two of these is $2.48. Get back a $1 register reward, making it $1.48 for the two, or 74 cents per dish soap. And it is okay to use a bit of Walgreens cash to pay down the balance if you're doing this without a booster. And here is my best friend, the $1 register reward. So I am very happy about this deal. I might try and get a couple more because I love that dish soap. Now, before I get out of Walgreens, lots of the Christmas stuff is starting to pop up. Whole bunch of face masks and a lip balm for $12.99. I mean, I just love this stuff, and I can't wait till it goes on clearance sometime probably late December, early January. And then we have the native candy cane, and then another one is like coconut vanilla. So these are the holiday scents. Find all of them on an end cap. $4 of Walgreens cash when you buy two. I can't wait for a BOGO free or maybe something better, but I love the peppermint deodorant. I also have been dreaming about this 12 days of chapstick. It's $19.49, and I can't wait till it goes on clearance because I want it. We are back at Walmart, and just a couple quick deals, including this one for the free Mighty Packs by all for $4.97. You're going to look in the laundry care section and grab this specific one, and there's 3 rebates that are attaching to it. So I would do this one ASAP. I think it's going to go quick, especially when it goes on social media and explodes this deal. Over on IBOTTA, there's $2 back. Unfortunately, the rebate is not at Walgreens because we have a digital to go with that, but no, Walmart only. Shopkick is giving back 750 points, which is 3. 250 Shopkick points is $1. And then Fetch is giving 1,000, so that's basically $1. So we got to be really smart and grab those packs because the last 2 rebates are for the packs only. $4.97, $2 back from IBOTTA, $750 back from Shopkick, and 1,000 back from Fetch, essentially making this guy, a freebie and a little money maker. So I will take that all day, every day. Love this deal. Now, if you are an avid user of Shopkick, there's various meat rebates right now, which is really strange. And just to show you them, you have $5.75 back for the Tyson Trimmed and Fresh, which is, like $2 and some change. And then 400 kicks back for the Zesty or the original. So I did the math, guys. So I bought a cheaper pack of chicken and then 2 of those Bob Evans sausages at $3.98 a pop. That's $14.97 for the 3 meat products. Getting back $13.75 from Shopkick is basically like $5.50. It makes it $9.29 for the 3, or like $3.10 per pack. Trying to save money any way we can. Check your rebates for Shopkick specifically over at Walmart. Lots of meat deals, which is really curious. Okay, that's it for this video. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.